Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for near price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart here, we are looking probably at an A, a B, and a C towards the upside. Or another scenario is W, X, and a Y. Of course, I'm gonna tell you the difference. Of course, the difference is in the last wave that we get. It is the structure that we get in it. So starting from here, we have an ABC. Of course, both are good for a W or for an A here, and then we are looking here at another A B, and a C as a zigzag where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your A, correction for your B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, ending diagonal for your wave C, finishing a wave X, or finishing a wave B. Now, after this, in both case scenario, you would like to see an impulse. Perfect. We got an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now this impulse can play two major roles, and it can finish, of course, a wave Y, or it can finish a wave C. Now in your wave Y, you would like to finish as an impulse with a zigzag as well, 3 waves toward the upside. W, 3 waves. W also has X as zigzag, and another zigzag for your Y. And that means you would like to see here 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, you would like to hit this fib levels in the green box, of course, for an extended wave, a 5 here, preferably, of course, to finish, of course, and after a 1, 2 here, ABC as expanding flat, and a wave 3, 4, and a 5. Now, very possible as well, because you have almost reached your wave 4 here. We're gonna come to this area. It is very possible, of course, that we got a double 1, 2, by the way, for 5, 4, 5. We're coming to this next. Now, in your wave C, as an A, B, and a C, your wave A, of course, is 3 waves up, 3 waves down. Your wave C has, of course, a very extended wave 1. And by all means, when you have an extended wave 1 like this, you would start to think, okay, your wave 3 is gonna be very, very massive, right? If we're gonna be, if we're gonna overshoot the 1-to-1 fib level, and it's gonna be very extended wave C, which make it kind of like a very low possibility. Therefore, you start to think in a contracting diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and voila, bingo. Right? Hitting exactly 1-to-1 fib level, of course, in a contracting ending diagonal. And in that case scenario, you would like to see as well an impulse, or probably this can be a zigzag, by the way, as well, because this can be considered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then correction, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kind of an impulsive wave here. So if you have a zigzag and then zigzag down, also zigzag up, you would like to see, of course, here a finished impulse somehow like this, right? And then, of course, taking the high. This is the most important. And then, of course, finishing a wave 3, 4, and a 5, of course, at the 1-to-1 fib level. By all means, in both case scenarios, WXY or ABC as a regular flat, we're talking here, because, of course, we took almost the high. We didn't, but the low, I mean, we didn't take it exactly. So that is perfect regular flat, a very typical 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with ending diagonal or with a zigzag. So we're gonna see what's gonna unfold. Let's move to the 1-hour chart here to see what's going on. On the 1-hour chart, let's organize this. Here we go. So on the actually, sorry guys, let's go to the 4-hour chart. I don't know, I'm becoming a fan of 4-hour chart more than the 1-hour chart. It gives a little bit more space on the screen, and it shows a little bit much more information. So as you can see, we have 1, 2 here, possibly has formed after having here kind of like, we cannot call this impulse, right? Your wave 4 is not really impulsive, and this cannot be, of course, an impulse. It looks like a zigzag, so we cannot call 1, 2, 3, 4 anyway. So basically, you can call 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. By the way, let's dive deeper here. And it looks like even like it can be 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wow. Okay. Yeah, it can be, guys. It can be. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 4 did not interfere with your wave 1, I think. Yeah. because this is your wave 1 probably here, A, B, and a C. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so we can call this a wave 1 here, and as a wave 1, and then ABC as a wave 2, and then 3, but look at your wave 4, it has totally invalidated. Therefore, we can call again a wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, and this is why we put this orange scenario exactly here. So actually, we are looking here at a finished wave 2 with the perfect fib levels. Now we are looking at somehow like a formation for a new 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. So let's call this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll see how this thing will unfold. So if we take the targets, let's take it, of course, from starting from here for near. Here we go. Let's say this is gonna be your wave 3 impulse. So you would like to reach, of course, the 6.99, let's say $7 for a wave 3 only, of course, and then, of course, starting a correction and then continuation toward the upside. So basically, those are the targets for a wave 3, 1.618 at $7 for near. Now, if we are in a bearish scenario still, where you are looking here possibly a 1, 2, 3, because this wave 3 is very, very long and looks like kind of a little bit impulsive, invalidation is, of course, here your bearish scenario. So we're very close, by the way. Invalidation of a bearish, okay? Which is at a 5.95, which is very close, right, to reach in case we reach this price. Therefore, you can make sure we are moving toward the upside and moving, of course, to hit the 1.618. And invalidation of any kind of impulse, this is an ABC, and then continuation, of course, for the move for higher prices. So that was it for near. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.